Welcome! Today we'll explore the profound philosophy of Kaizen, a Japanese principle focused on continuous improvement. Kaizen, derived from Kai, change, and Zen, good, embodies the belief in small, consistent steps toward progress and excellence. At its core, Kaizen advocates incremental improvements, teamwork, waste reduction, and a culture of never-ending betterment. Kaizen's essence lies in the power of continuous improvement. It encourages individuals and teams to make small, manageable changes daily. The philosophy stresses eliminating waste in processes, whether it's time, resources, or effort, fostering efficiency and productivity. Kaizen thrives on teamwork. It promotes open communication, shared responsibility, and collective problem-solving for sustainable growth. Implementing Kaizen brings multifaceted benefits: enhanced productivity, employee satisfaction, innovation, and a culture of continual learning. From workplaces to personal endeavors, adopting Kaizen principles can lead to positive transformations in both professional and personal spheres. In summary, embrace Kaizen as a philosophy of growth through small, continuous improvements. Start small, aim high, and let the journey of perpetual enhancement begin. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. Subscribe for more insights and strategies on implementing Kaizen in your life.